Hey, I'm Dave, and I've been with Success Prep for a while now doing SAT and ACT prep. I'd have to say it's helped me a lot. Definitely improved my grades a bit. Not only do you get one-on-one practice, but you also get info on the how it's graded and the tricks of the trade.
I'm Dave's mom, and the interaction between the tutors and Dave were so relaxed and supportive, and he went into this test with confidence and knowledge that he knew what he was facing, and he came out just feeling great. He went in feeling great, and it wouldn't have happened without the impressive tutors at Success Prep and the rapport that they built with David. He was excited to see them. They made it very tolerable and interesting for him and built on successes. And he was able to, on his first go round, get a 33, which is just terrific. He doesn't have to take it again because it is quite an investment of time and energy and funds also, and he won't have to go through that again. And that's because of Success Prep. We got it right the first time.
Great. Thank you very much, and it was fun working with Dave as well.